said I'm going to make another video later, which I am. So, my brother agreed to be the guest star of this. Of this video, so yeah. I have a guest star. His name is Alex. He's 14. He's a football player. And he has a girlfriend. So please don't ask me if he's single.
I look like a bum right now.
And also, he's not a bum. Here he is.
Yeah, what's that? It's Alex. Yeah, you know what it is.
Well, there's very awkward weather. Say something else, Alex.
My hair looks messed up.
I do know this is going on YouTube.
I don't care.
Isn't that a special guest star? He has something else to say. Do the calling sign. Well, wasn't that interesting? Okay, well, okay, thank you. This has been Lulu Lauren's Daily Blog. Make sure to tune in for my video later in this day. Bye. Thank you for watching.